Are you confused about which school board is best for your child's future? With so many options, CBSE, ICSE, IB, it's overwhelming. What if choosing the wrong one sets your child on a completely misaligned path? This one decision can either unlock your child's potential or limit it. So, how do you decide? Hi, I'm Indu Ishwarappa, career transformation coach and co-founder of NextMoves. Over the last decade, I have helped hundreds of students and parents cut through the chaos of career confusion, academic pressure, and misaligned choices. I believe every child deserves to find joy and clarity in what they do, not just marks or degrees. And that journey begins much earlier than you think. Just recently, I worked with a 10-year-old student from Bangalore whose family was facing a very common but critical dilemma, one that many parents go through silently. They were relocating overseas and couldn't decide which school board would nurture their child's strengths and personality the best. Their confusion was not just about academics, it was about setting up the right environment for long-term success. And that's what I want to talk to you about today. Did you know that nearly 70% of students feel disconnected from their academic path by the time they reach high school? And much of it stems from early decisions that don't align with who they are. Choosing the wrong board or environment can stifle creativity, hurt confidence, and build years of silent struggle. We can avoid this. And it starts with understanding your child deeply. Not just academically, but emotionally and mentally too. Stay with me for the next few minutes and I will walk you through how to make confident, informed schooling decisions that not only align with your child's academic needs, but also nurture their whole self. Because your child deserves more than just good grades, they deserve a path that brings them joy. To understand why choosing the right school board matters so much, let me share about Guru, a 10-year-old boy from Bangalore. His family was relocating abroad and were unsure about which school board to choose, CBSE, ICSE or IB. To many, it may seem like just another academic decision, but for Guru's parents, it carried the weight of shaping his foundational years, his learning experience, and eventually his career. Guru was bright, curious, and logical, but he often lacked motivation in traditional rote learning environments. His parents were academically inclined and well-meaning, but they found it hard to see beyond the conventional paths they knew. Like many, they wondered if it was too early to think about such things. This is where our three-dimensional student profiling system play a very vital role. It allowed us to assess Guru not just by marks but through his true nature, nurture, exposure, personality and learning style. What we discovered was powerful. Guru thrives when he is encouraged to ask why, explore deeper meanings, and work on real-world logic-based challenges. A board that only focused on textbook learning would likely drain his interest over time. His parents, after understanding this, realized that the IB board would be best suited for him. It promotes inquiry-based learning, interdisciplinary thinking, and personal development, exactly the kind of environment that would help Guru flourish. So how did we arrive at this clarity? Here is the process I recommend for every parent facing this kind of decision. Step 1. Profile beyond marks. Look at your child's personality, not just their grades. Guru's scores were decent, but they didn't reflect how he processed information. Our profiling tool helped uncover that Guru learned best through logic and exploration, not memorization. For instance, When given a math puzzle or a real world problem to solve, he lit up with curiosity. But ask him to simply recall a list of historical dates and he would zone out in minutes. Step 2. Observe learning style. Does your child learn by asking questions? Maybe they remember the life cycle of a butterfly better after watching an animated video than reading a textbook. Or they finally understood gravity when they dropped objects of different weights and saw what happened. Or perhaps they still talk about a freedom fighter's journey they heard as a bedtime story, long after forgetting the textbook chapter. Understanding how your child learns is key to finding the right educational board. Step 3. Map their emotional and cognitive needs. Guru needed an environment that made space for curiosity and emotional expression. This was equally as important as academic rigor. For instance, when a child struggles with a math concept, instead of being told they are weak in math, imagine a teacher who gives them a hands-on activity like measuring ingredients while baking to make numbers feel real. The child not only understands better but starts believing they're capable too. Step 4. Match with curriculum. Once we had a full picture, we could compare CBSE, which is structured, exam-focused, grade for core subjects, ICSE, more detailed, broader subjects, lots of reading and writing, or IB, big on curiosity, projects, and real-world thinking. Each had its strengths, but only one matched how Guru actually learned. The IB board stood out for its flexibility, learner-centered methods, and long-term preparation for global education. Step 5. Parent mindset shift. Often, the biggest change comes from parents, not students. When Guru's parents saw the data and personalized reports, they were able to step out of their own expectations and trust what their child needed. By choosing the IB board, Guru's family did not just pick a curriculum, they chose a direction that supports holistic development, emotional resilience, and intellectual curiosity. And this early clarity means that by the time he reaches high school, Guru won't be choosing blindly. He will be aligned and prepared. This is exactly how you, as a parent, can make future-ready decisions today with confidence and clarity. Imagine your child waking up each morning excited to go to school, not anxious or disengaged. Imagine not second-guessing every academic decisions because you know it aligns with who they are. For Guru and his family, that became their new reality. Today, they are focused on building skills, nurturing hobbies, and preparing for the future, not struggling with the stress of what's next. When you understand your child's nature, learning style, and environment fit, everything changes. You no longer parent with fear, you parent with purpose. If today's conversation hit home, I have got something to make board selection even smoother. The Board Fit Decision Filter. It's a gentle guide to help you think through this decision with your child in mind, not just the syllabus. Want to see it in action? Watch CCC episode 18, where Preeti Durga walks you through real-life examples of how families are using it. The link is in the description. I'm Indu Ishwarappa, your partner in nurturing classroom dreams into joyful professions. Let's build your child's future one aligned step at a time.